Alright, true salute. Now they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. The Carabao Cup final just finished and Manchester United 2, Newcastle United 0. And we get Oga GT we be like saying, Ogbonge person or no Ogbonge Man U fan may come tell us about how he see the game. Oga GT, as a Man U fan, now how your body they do you right now?
Normally, I can watch the match for 60 something minutes. I dey feel headache when I dey house. But when I hear the echo of the voice, go! And nothing na only Man United. If Man U echo something, if Man U voice out, the full world dey hear the echo. I dey my house, I hear the voice. I say na Man U don score. Na once the headache fly,
You heard the common
ASAP, I baff, now I run come. As I run come, na 2-0. So now very, very, it's sure that Man U they give me joy today, they give me joy. They give me joy since so, but today, after how many years to live trophy, after many years to live trophy, I'm really impressed.
So how you see the work when your manager they do now, Eric Ten Hag? Because you talk say after how many years? The last cup when Man U win now, 2017 under Jose Mourinho. How you see the work when your manager they do?
My manager, the guy, that guy is fantastic. He's doing very, very great, and I love the work he's doing. But I want Messi do more because when he dey Ajax, if he dey watch that Ajax team, if he dey beat Ajax 4-0, you never win. Oh, you dey win Ajax 4-0, after they cost you because Ajax can come back to win you 5-4. Now one thing I want make it do that Man U thing, make it transform Man U team so that if he dey beat up 4-0, odidi your body, you never win. You never win. And what I just want me to do for us. And I believe say he go do one because that guy brain, he dey intact.
So for this match now, with this performance, who you go point say now him play ball pass for you where you go say this guy now be my man of the match?
Casemiro. If Casemiro dey game, you know now. If Casemiro dey game, your body dey do you well. Because let that guy, if that guy block you, don't block you. Then another person again and one be Saka. One be Saka attack you, na excellent. But another person want to see the eye for that Man U team where say if he did the front line, Rashford then be our Ronaldo now. I be our Ronaldo now. So I know they shape when I see all those three people for game. But for that defense line, Martinez, forget them. Just forget them.
So what do you get to tell all the opposition fans, the Chelsea fans, Arsenal fans, Liverpool fans, Man City fans? What do you get to tell them?
Man City fans, I still respect Man City as a team because Man City coach and the players they very, very functionable. I love their spirit. I respect Man City fans, but if they want to play us, make them prepare well. We not want to say they're not prepared. Yes, now season not they finish. As they break, season they start. So anytime they want to play us, make them they prepare well, make them hit well. Because once we
that one go be till next season.
Until next season, and they send the message in advance. I know they tell them for in advance because once we jam them, they will confirm and say, "Now Man you don't play Manchester derby because be Manchester derby." That be those past one of last 2 seasons. When Manchester derby because be like say na talk and good story. Now we want play Manchester derby from next season. You go hot anyhow now. And so
what about Chelsea fans? What do you get to tell them?
they call white animal for forest. You dey call sheep. You dey call sheep very bad animal. Chelsea not join and Chelsea not be team. I don't tell you this thing before. This Chelsea matter when they always ask me, they need to go championship. Legend, not they build team for Premier League. They go start from championship. If person say they want build their team, make them go championship. I bet if this benefit will reach FIFA, make FIFA demote Chelsea ASAP to championship. They need to go build their team for championship. They never been win their ball finish. They never been win the Sheffield United. They did now EPL not couple of play. They are made the EPL. For number 1 to 20 now, Chelsea mates not the APA. They're not join. Not be to use $600 billion to score one goal. They're not that APA. So they're not there. They're not there at all. They're not join.
Because the people now, lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.